UPI has changed the way India pays. From your morning coffee to your flight tickets, everything is now just a QR scan away. It's instant, it's easy, and let's be honest, most young users rely on it. Now it's evolving. Banks are rolling out a credit line on UPI. Think scan now, pay later. What is it and what does it mean for you? Let's find out in today's episode of Straight Up by edX Live with me, Soumyangi Yadav. First, this isn't UPI's first brush with credit. In 2022, RuPay credit cards were enabled on UPI. In April 2023, RBI allowed banks to link pre-sanctioned credit lines to UPI, and by September 2023, MPCI issued operational guidelines. From 31 August 2025, fresh RBI and PCI norms have kicked in. They widen rollout and add guardrails. Banks must ensure each UPI credit line is used only for its sanctioned purpose, approving or declining transactions accordingly. So if your credit line is tagged education loan, you cannot use it for personal spends. How it works? Your bank sanctions a credit limit. When you scan a QR, the amount is drawn from that line. No card swipe, no new loan application, and you repay later. Obviously, this is most attractive to students and young professionals. It's seamless, there's barely any paperwork, no minimum balance stress, you can just scan, borrow and go. There's also plenty of risk. In fact, it carries the same risks as personal loans. Miss the due date and interest kicks in, often comparable to credit card rates. Delayed payments hurt your CIBIL and future loan EMI eligibility. Frictionless payments make it hard to keep track of spends. Small scans can too easily snowball into debt. Safeguards do exist. Banks must disclose repayment terms and charges upfront and actively monitor usage and keep it tied to purpose. But responsibility ultimately sits with the user, and the heaviest UPI users are the youngest. So please use it wisely. Read the repayment term in-app before activating. Treat it like a credit card, pay on time in full amount. Bottom line, a credit line on UPI is not free money, it's convenient credit with consequences. What do you think? Is this smart convenience or a debt trap? Tell us in the comments. Like, share and subscribe for more. We will be back with another video tomorrow. Until then, stay safe.